I am Shrishti Pandey from class 5th C. I am here to present a prayer. All of you join your hands, bow your head and close your eyes. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Mighty One, Holy Immortal One, have mercy on us and on the whole world. A reading from the book St. Matthew, chapter 19, verses 14. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, do not stop them, because the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." Thank you. Good morning all, my name is Harsha Sagal from class 5th C and today I am here to tell you the importance of prayer. Prayer is a conversation with a God and the way to develop a personal and a meaningful relationship with Him. Prayer helps us to make better decisions of our life under the guidance and the help of God. Also, prayer is an act of love for the one who loves you the most. Yes, the God loves you the most. Prayer is an act of submitting your heart under the God's guidance and rule. Thank you. Now we'll have a prayer song by Deepal Tiwari.
Good morning. My name is Deepal Tiwari. I'm from class 5th C. My song is God Will Make a Way. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way. He will make a way. Oh, God, make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way for me. He will make a way. By the roadway in the wilderness, He lead me. There are rivers in the desert.
Now, me and my classmates would like to share some facts on COVID-19. All of us are aware that the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a hullabaloo all over the world with new challenges coming up, such as the different mutants of the virus and the new disease black fungus. Needless to say, this pandemic has changed our lives. We are having to do a lot of things to keep ourselves safe that we were not doing so much before. And worse than that, we can't enjoy things that we were doing before, like going out to play with our friends. In short, because of this pandemic, we have been confined to our homes, unable to roam about freely. What with all this corona and things going on, we aren't even able to go to school, and as a result, we are having to attend online classes from home. Many of us thought that these holidays are going to be super boring, but it turned out to be quite cool. In fact, if you ponder, this lockdown has had a positive side too. We spent quality time with our families, learned new things, discovered our talents and hobbies, and also worked on them. This time has made us more tech savvy, be it creating new chats on Microsoft Teams or starting up our own YouTube channels. And we also had lots of interesting holiday homeworks to do, so we didn't really get any time to get bored. Now, if I ask you, what is COVID? You'll probably say that it's a virus spread all across the globe and it has left us packed in our homes. But it's a lot more than that. We should think about its positive side and learn new things from these challenging times. In fact, we should also try to find out new ways to make life fun and better. Lastly, stay home, stay safe, and keep smiling. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Janvi Dawar of class 5th C and I am going to recite a poem on coronavirus. Coronavirus has become a matter of concern. It has spread all over the world by turn. It is spreading rapidly, so don't wander happily. As lakhs of people are affected and many have died, so in many countries lockdown is applied. A virus started from Wuhan don't have any medical solution. To stop is required people's contribution. Thank you, friends. Stay home, stay safe.
Today, we all are living in a coronavirus pandemic which has caused havoc in different parts of the world. This virus has led to a huge loss of human life worldwide and left people at a risk of poverty. Increasing sense of fear has also affected people's mental health. But as it is said, after every storm there comes a rainbow. So, let's do our bit in making situation better because every action counts. Therefore, do get your COVID vaccine as soon as possible. Cover your face with double mask whenever you go out. Wash your hands regularly and avoid going out at crowded places and practice social distancing. By taking these steps, we all can try to make the situation better. Let's remind ourselves that everything will be fine, it's just a matter of time. We all are going through a difficult time, but let's remember that it won't always be this way. This too shall pass. We all must stand together to get out of this pandemic. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Tanya and I'm from class 5th C and today I'll be presenting a speech on COVID-19. So, you know, this very tiny virus can destroy a body and create such a big mess. So let's explore its causes, symptoms and measures we need to keep ourselves safe. As we are aware, the disease was first detected in Wuhan, China as novel coronavirus. The coronavirus family was first identified in 1960. So now, what are its causes? Yes, its causes are common cold, SARS, MERS, etc. You know, this virus spreads when the person who is infected coughs or sneezes. Now, what are its symptoms? Yes, common cold, viral pneumonia, cough, etc. Now, how to stop this outbreak? Well, it's advisable to wear an N95 mask or wear a double filter mask. Yes, very important. Maintain a distance of 6 to 3 feet. And very important, don't touch your mask, eyes, nose and your whole face when you are outside the house. Last but not the least, wash hands. Now I will tell you why it's advisable to wash your hands. See, now if I will dip my finger in this, nothing happened. But when I dip my finger in soap and then pour it on my black pepper mixture, see what's happened. Yes, all the germs are in the side of the ball. Why? Because of this soap. That's why our elders say, wash your hands. Prevention is better than cure. Stay safe.
The crisis will end, but we can be sure by the time it does, our world will look very different. How different will depend on the choices we make today. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Aditi Sinha and today I'm here to speak on the topic resolution. A resolution is simply a promise to yourself to get something done, along with a plan to make it happen. It can be a goal that you set informally and keep it private. My resolutions are exercise more, lose weight, learn a new skill or hobby, get organized. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
एक मिनट रुकना. Yes.
What the new year brings to you will depend on a great deal what you will bring to the new year. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. Here are a few resolutions you can also follow. 1. Go bed early. 2. Do exercise and get fit. 3. Help others. 4. Work hard and get good grades. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present. Since last 1 year, we all are facing new challenges due to this pandemic COVID-19. As we have resumed our online classes, we have to take some resolutions for this academic session. The word resolution means the quality of being determined to follow our personal goals. Here are some resolutions. Number 1. Plan to be more systematic and organized. It means preparing a timetable and following it strictly. Number 2. Reduce the time spent on gadgets. Due to online classes, the screen time has escalated. So instead of entertaining ourselves with gadgets, we should play or read books in free time. Number 3. Mindful and healthy eating. Food not only makes our body physically fit, but also affects our brain. So we should eat food in a peaceful environment without any gadgets with us. And remember the supreme power God. We have to stick to our resolutions and get ourselves corrected. Thank you.
My name is Rishika Pakhali and I am going to say few lines on gratitude. Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things every human can do for each other. It is the most important human expression that proves humans are sensible and have emotions. Everything we do should be a result of our gratitude. The best way to show gratitude to God is to accept everything, even problems, with joy. Being thankful is a wonderful feeling and an experience that strengthens the bond. We should be thankful to our family, friends, and teachers for giving us knowledge, love, and care. The more we express gratitude for, the more we get. Thank you.